Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about serial numbers for your items. So the first thing we need to do is ensure that it is enabled. So if we go up to settings and we go to preferences, so items and preferences. Yeah, you'll see the advanced item inventory tracking. So we need to make sure the enable serial number tracking is on, and I've also got batch tracking as well. Now we want to make sure that these are always tracked in packages, the purchase returns and return receipts, because that's when the item is actually packed and actually sent. If we do it on bills and invoices, different items may be sent at that particular time. So we know that that's the particular item that's going into that particular package, and that's why that serial number is being tracked accordingly. Okay. So what we can do is we can enter the stock, the tracked serial numbers. So if we go to close these settings up and we go into the items and we create this item here, for instance, and we go to edit, we can see on this particular item that we have track the serial numbers. Now, if we were doing this at a point of setting the system up and we wanted to use opening stock, then you can always add your items here. So you would go, actually, I've got 3, and it will give you this piece here to add the serial numbers in, and there you can add your serial numbers. So you would go overwrite with 3. Going to generate my I'm going to keep 3 serial number. I'm going to start with a 56, for instance. It's going to do 3, so that will give us 56, 57, 58. If you do this now, this will have an impact on your Zoho Books integration. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to take this out. The only other place that serial numbers can be recorded are under purchases and bills. So we go to purchases, click on bills, and if we go to new, select a vendor and our bill number and our bill date, and we slip down here, you'll see here that we have add serial numbers. So let's say here that we've bought 10 of these, and we go add serial numbers. It will say we want 10, generate serial numbers. So we can say it's going to start with, and it will add 10 on, and that's our 10 numbers. We now have stock with serial numbers that we are ready to sell. If we want to see what those serials are against, the serial numbers are against that particular item, we can go up to the items here, we can click on item 35, we can see the serial numbers, and we see all the serial numbers that are here at present and ready to sell.